Pandas primarily operates on two main data structures, series and data frames. Series is like one-dimensional array with the labels akin to a column in an Excel sheet. It's indexed, allowing for quick and easy access to the data. Data frames, on other hand, are two-dimensional, like a table. They consist of multiple series, making them perfect for handling real-world data with rows and columns. Think of series as the building blocks, while data frames are the entire structure. They form the backbone of data manipulation in Pandas, enabling you to efficiently work with a wide range of data sets. And one more data structure that is called panel. It's a three-dimensional data structure. In practice, the panel was deprecated in Pandas 0.25.0 version in July 2019 due to its limited use cases and the complexity it introduced to the library. It was replaced with the multi-index data frame, which allows for similar, if not more flexible, multi-dimensional data manipulation. Therefore, in most contemporary discussions about pandas, you will often find a primary focus on the series and data frame due to their versatility and widespread applicability in data analysis tasks.